Good morning everyone, welcome to my channel. It is so good to see you again. Today we're going to make bread for sandwiches, okay? What I'm about to share with you is how to make soft, fluffy, and tasty bread for sandwiches. But first, let's take a look all the ingredients we will need. The ingredients we need for this bread recipe are bread and whole wheat flour, instant dry milk powder, granulated white sugar, 1/4 cup or 4 tablespoons unsalted butter, 3 teaspoons instant dry yeast with 1 teaspoon sugar, 1/4 cup warm water, 2 proof yeast, 1 egg, 1 cup warm milk, and tangzong that are made of milk, water, and bread flour. And of course, this time we're going to use a bread mixer. First, start with yeast by pouring the warm water into the bowl with yeast and sugar. Using a small whisk, stir mixtures until well combined. Set it aside and let it proof for about 5 minutes. Second, give the bread and wheat flour a little mix with spatula, then add powdered milk and sugar into the bowl of flour and mix just to combine all the dry ingredients and set aside. Third, move on to tangzong. Crack an egg and add it to tangzong. Break the yolk, whisk a little bit with rubber spatula. Add melted butter, then add warm milk, switch to small whisker and mix well. Fourth, arrange the bread mixer. Put the right tool such as hook to mix all the ingredients. The method using this type of mixer is that we need to put the liquid into the bread bowl first. Then carefully pour the tangzong first, followed with yeast mixture. Then gradually add all the dry ingredients to the mixture and put it in the machine. Cover your bread mixer and let the machine do the work for you. Simple as that. Look at that, easy peasy. So we're going to leave this machine on for about 5 minutes. In the meantime, while dough is mixing, prepare and oil a large bowl, then set it aside. After 5 minutes, turn the machine off. Scrape dough out of the bread mixer. Transfer the dough in a large and oiled bowl. The dough should be sticky, so make sure put a little bit of oil on your hand. Obviously, I didn't have enough oil on my fingers and my palm. Next, shape the dough into a large bowl. Put it back inside the bowl. Cover the dough with a cling wrap and also cover it with a clean towel on top of that and let it sit for 2 hours or proof or until it's doubled in volume. After it's doubled in size, just punch the dough in the middle and let the air out or poke it with your fingers and give a little knead. Just knead the dough for extra, let's say about a couple minutes. After a couple of minutes of kneading the dough, try to divide the dough into 2 equal pieces. Then form each dough to an oval shape, like a football. And then place each dough into a bread rectangle mold. Cover it again with cling wrap, then a towel, and let it rise for another 30 minutes in a warm place. Set an alarm for 20 minutes. Yes, 20 minutes. Because we are going to preheat the oven to 350. And after 30 minutes, the bread has risen. We are going to cook these yummy bread for 30 minutes. After 30 minutes of cooking, this is what they look like. Look at this beautiful bread. Now we have to wait to cool down before we start cutting them into pieces to make sandwiches. So guys, I cooled this bread for about 20 minutes and now I'm cutting them. Look how beautiful they are and soft. Again, just look at this bread. Isn't it amazing? Now you can make them at home anytime you want. See how squeezy and fluffy and soft, and they're beautiful and perfect. Let's make sandwich. Look at that. So I'm just going to make my own sandwich. Actually, it's for Dad's sandwich. So I add a little mayonnaise and ketchup and small ham, very low sodium. Also American cheese, also low sodium. Just add a little bit more ketchup and mayonnaise in there and serve it as it is, and cut it if you like diagonally. And there you have it, homemade bread, homemade sandwich.
Good, that's a little darker bread. Thick one.
Yeah, I made that yesterday.
Oh, you made that? You did, yeah. Okay.
Yeah.
It's heavy, a lot of it.
I made it thick for you because you always complain how small my bread.
Well, you got a good one.
What you got there, Dad? Ham and cheese?
Uh-huh.
Are you having ham and cheese?
Having what?
Ham and cheese.
Ham and cheese, yeah. Mm-hmm.
And
Having soup, potato soup.
tomato soup, Dad.
Yeah. Mm-hmm.
It's your favorite.
Yep, that's what it is.
All right, Dad. Enjoy your lunch.
Okay.
Say bye, Dad.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
Thank you for being here in my channel, and I hope that you enjoyed watching this video today. If you like it, hit like, share, subscribe, and turn on the notification to get updated to all new videos for you to watch next. I hope to see you again. Till next time, bye!